Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A6 SE finished in a Dakota Grey. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights, the front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. As we move round to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch 10-spoke design SE alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the surrounds of the windows, LED on the back lights and also the rear parking sensors as mentioned earlier on. This car is a TDI quattro, so it is winter ready with the 4-wheel drive system, and it is the 3-litre V6 TDI diesel engine. You will get the 145-point check with this vehicle, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have the cream on the interior, which is the Milano leather with the electronic folding exterior mirrors and full cream Milano leather on the interior. 4-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, 4-zone digital climate control with Audi's MMI display with navigation, auto hold assist with the electronic handbrake and a tiptronic automatic gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A6 SE, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.